What's going on? Hey, I'm going to tell you how you can make money in real estate without a license, without selling anything, without owning a property. I'm going to show you that today in this course. What is property preservation? Property preservation is like a niche in the real estate industry that most people don't know about, right? And if you're watching this, you've probably been trying to figure out a way of business that's going to make money year over year without having to do a lot of, I guess, looking for customers, right? You want to find a business that's going to be steady, that you're not going to have to worry about. Well, guess what? The real estate industry is never going anywhere. As long as people need somewhere to stay, this industry will be around, right? So now, I've been getting a lot of questions. If you don't know, I'm Charles Gibbs. Hey, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, subscribe, and share this with everyone you know. And I will greatly appreciate it. So today I'm going to talk a little bit slower. Most of my other videos, I've been talking pretty fast, and maybe everyone isn't understanding. So I got a message that says, hey, what are we getting in this course? Is it just a PDF? Is it an online version? Well, for the people that are getting in now, because if you're like me, you've bought an online course before, right? And have you ever gone to the online course and you're so confused, have no idea what's going on? They just put a bunch of information together and threw it there and said, okay, go figure it out. They collected their money, they moved on. I hated that. I had that happen, and it sucks, right? But my thought process is I wanted to give people that buy my course, I want them to have everything they needed to know, right? So I know I can see it from my perspective and how I understand how I learn, but I'm trying to get some people together that's going to learn. Everyone probably learn differently, which I'm pretty sure you guys know that everyone learns differently. Some people are visual learners, some people read, some people hear, so I wanted to kind of put together a package that will make sense to people that are coming in after the people that come into the beta process part of this thing. So I wanted to make sure that this is understood so that anyone that comes in, say a year or 2 years later or 6 months later, they will understand the course and it will make plenty of sense to them. Like it's not complicated. It's pretty cut and dry. You do this, then you do that. You do this, and then you do that, right? So I wanted to make it simple and clean and just make sure that everyone understands. But in order to do that, I had to get some people to test it out on. So the people that are getting in now, they're getting, first of all, you're my guinea pig, so I'm testing things out on you. But also is because I want to make sure that it's, like I said, I want to make sure that you understand. So what's going to happen with the course, right? So you come in on the 24th, we're going to start. You will get some information. So basically think of it like this. There's no need for us to talk about how to get 40 houses before we talk about first the paperwork you need to start, right? So that's getting your all the paperwork that you need to be processed to be a part of this property preservation to become a contractor for different companies, right? So that's we don't want to put the cart before the horse, but I want you to understand how it's going to work. So I have everything outlined, right? So I have, say, step 1, chapter 1, chapter 2. I'm putting my hand up here just for visual purposes only. So chapter 1, chapter 2, right? You'll get that. Now, everyone isn't starting at the same place. I understand that. So some people may be on chapter 3 and chapter 4. But if you're just starting, I want you to still have chapter 1 and chapter 2 to make sure that you have all your paperwork filed correctly, making sure you're with all the other companies that you need to be with, right? So here's the thing. You have to have certain paperwork. So there's no need for us to go to chapter 4 or chapter 5 before we first complete chapter 1 and 2. So I want to make sure that you guys are understanding, you're comprehending, and not only just understanding, but you're actually doing the work. I want to show you, I want you to read, I want you to understand, and I want you to do. I want you to get something out of this course. I don't want you just coming in just to get the information and just sit there. I want to see that you're making progress. If you're not ready to put any work in, just don't sign up. Don't do it, right? Because I want you to be successful, but you have to want to be successful too. So it's up to you. So basically, you start off chapter 1, chapter 2, making sure you have all the things processed how it needs to be done. Because guess what? You're ready to take this information and you're passing it on to your employees. So when you have someone that's coming in new, you say, follow this document. Make sure all the documents, your checklist, make sure all the things are in place before you move on to the next part, right? So who is this course for? This course is for people that are just getting started, people that have been in for the last year or two and haven't made any money, or you're not making the money that you want to make. If you're looking to expand, if you don't want to do any work at all, this is a course for you. Like, you can sub out every part of this business. You can not do the work. Charles, I don't want to do like you, going to these houses, dealing with these rats and these cats and these people that are in the houses. I don't want to do none of that. Great, that's fine. We can talk about that too, right? We can figure out how we can help you to do that too, because everything I'm teaching you is that you can go from one person. You can do this if you're one man in a crew. I know guys that he doesn't want any more than him and his wife. That's a guy who brought me in. He doesn't want a lot of people under him. He want to be able to just maximize his profits and not have to worry about all the headache of everything else. I like to run a business, so I like to get in there, know what the business is about, and then eventually move out the way and replace myself with someone else, right? So that's my overall goal, and then to scale it up to where it makes sense for me to have other people come in and make money from them, right? So they come in, they learn the process and how I want things done, and then, we expand the business. So that's what this is for. So basically, let's look at it. If we go to the website, here's what you're going to learn. You're going to learn how to earn an average of $4,000 on every single job. Like, you should be averaging at $4,000, right? That should be your goal. How to expand the property preservation business to get more jobs, right? How can you get more jobs, right? You're only going to get more jobs. I think when I was in in school learning a trade, steam. I was a steam fitter. When I went to trade school, steam fitter school, the reward for good work was more work, right? And that's true. The company's going to provide you with more work when you do good work. So that's why I'm always big on quality over quantity. First get good quality, and then the quantity will come, right? So I'm going to show you guys how you can expand your business. You don't have to have a lot of money, but guess what you do have? Everybody has credit. Now, you got good credit, you got bad credit, you got so-so credit. We're going to talk about how to do that. I've spent years learning all this information. I paid a guy $6,000 to fix my credit, right? Get things off of it, make it perfect. Next thing I know, when I first started out in business with the mental health and medical practice, I bought my copy machine outright. I thought that was good. Yeah, here go $2,000. Nah, that's good. Yeah, I spent $2,000 on just, to get my copier, pay for it outright. But as I grew in business, I started to say, well, that doesn't make sense. I could have used that somewhere else, right? So I'm trying to show you how you can use your credit to expand your business, right? But you got to clean the credit up. It's certain things I'm going to show you can do to help clean your credit up. Things that I've learned from different people that clean my credit. And guess what? As soon as my credit got cleaned up, the bank called me. Hey, Mr. Gibbs. Hey, we got $40,000 for you. You want to come get it? Let me think about it. I mean, because guess what? Guess who gets money? Guess who get loan money? People that don't need money, right? They don't need it. They don't have to have it. The people that are desperate need it. So we're going to talk about how we can not look desperate and be begging for money and get your credit right so that you can just, apply for things and get some credit and expand your business, right? You use that to expand your business. So we're going to talk about that as well. So there's a lot of things we can talk about to help expand your business. But I'm going to go over a few more things and I'm going to let you guys get out of here. Well, I'm going to get out of here, off your TV, whatever. So let's talk about how to win more bids. How can you win the bids, right? I've seen people ask me about, do you bid on a refrigerator? I used to bid on a refrigerator when I first came in, thinking that's an easy, just quick, let me do refrigerator. All I got to do is put it in, just it's nothing there, so let's go ahead and bid it. Sometimes it's good. Depends on what part of the process they're on. Are they in pre-sale or post-sale? And most of the time, they're going to give it to their estimating crews, the bigger crews. They're going to get those kind of jobs. So let me show you where the money at that when you're starting out, what you should be bidding at, right? Or what you should be looking for to bid that most of the time you win easily, right? How to easily outsource all your repairs and maintenance work. You guys seen a couple of videos ago. I didn't do the electricity, excuse me. Good gracious. I didn't do all my electric work. I didn't do all my work. I subbed out some work. I subbed out, found me an electrician, right? I'm gonna tell you how to find electricians, how you find plumbers, how you find these people, and you'll be surprised. But you sub out your work, so you don't have to do everything. You get access to the checklist to be more efficient and professional, right? So one of the biggest things that I've learned, like when I talk about how to average the $4,000 or the $400 on each job, like even if it's a lock change, where you can find money at, right? If you watch all my videos and you talk and you listen to what I'm saying and watch what I'm doing, you can pick up a lot of stuff, for free. Just go back and watch all my videos and you'll pick up a bunch of information, that you can use. But I'm going to shortcut that for you. That's what the course is for, to get the shortcut, right? So you can be less frustrated and more profitable, right? Because when you're not making any money, well, that will frustrate you. I know all about it. So, so you want to how to easily outsource all your repair and maintenance work and we want to get your access to a checklist to be more efficient. So basically I'm going to show you all the checklists you need to make sure you're getting all the money. Because if you follow all these checklists that I have, that's going to make sure that you're profitable. And then guess what? When you're not out in the field and you have someone else out there, you can show them, hey, this is what you need to make sure. If they check everything on the checklist, they're going to see that, oh, I missed this part. Now I need to bid this. So this is how I win more bids, how you win more bids, how you make more money. You get it? You see what I'm saying? So you get 4 weeks of group learning. So here's an accountability. Let me finish. You get 4 weeks of group learning and accountability for fast results, right? So I don't want you to sit here for 4 weeks and you haven't even started the paperwork to start with a company. Like, we're going to go and start. We're not going to mess around. We're not going to mess around. You just in the course, just learning a bunch of information. I want you to apply the information. We don't want you to get information paralysis where you just stuck on just learning everything. You got to do something. Get there, get a little bit of information. Now we're going to go do something. We get a little more information. Now we do something. That's the whole purpose of the course. I'm going to give you some paperwork that I want you to do. I want some things that I want some information that I want you to follow. And then I want you to go apply this, right? Go right away. These are things that you can do right now. We don't have to wait. We don't have to, wait to 6 weeks to see results. You can start to see results right away. And that's my overall goal for you. Then learn step by step how you can go from 0 to 200K a year, right? I like to give a smaller number. If you're a one-man crew and if you want to expand, you can do as much as you want, right? You can go as high as you want. And I'm going to show you how you can go from a one-man crew to as many people as you want, and then making sure that you have that one-man crew to be more efficient. Now, also, I have over the course of my time, I've found a company that will process all your initial secure orders. I'm going to tell you how to do that too, so now you can become more efficient. So if you do decide to be a one-man crew, you can pay someone else to go and do the paperwork for your initial secures, right? And that's mostly it takes you about 2.5 hours, 3 hours to do those initial secures, that paperwork after you've been out in the field, right? I'm trying to tell you guys the shortcuts to make it easier on you, right? So, and that's basically the gist of this whole course, right? So basically, if you don't have any experience, this is a course for you, because you can sub out all your work and you can just make a profit from all the people that is working under you, right? That's a business owner. If you want to be a one-man crew, which is fine, you can go and do all the work. You can work and you can be the business owner and you can still be profitable. I'm going to show you how to do that. And I'm going to show you, if you don't have any money, if you have enough money just to buy the course, I'm going to show you how to fix everything else up, fix your credit up so that clean it up, and if this information doesn't clean it all up, I have a professional that can do it for you as well, right? So I can connect you with the right people. Sometimes you got to get in the right circles to change how things are. Sometimes you hang around, think about it. A person that does crime hang around what? Criminals, right? So if you want to become a high net worth individual, you have to find high net worth individuals, right? Start to group yourself with people that are like-minded, like thoughts, right? So they can pull you up, make you better, right? That's the whole point. So I said a lot. I started talking fast because time flies. I could talk all day. I'm looking for when the pandemic is over so I can get together with people and be everyone feels a little more comfortable being around each other. But I'm really looking forward to the group session where I get to talk to someone and someone gets to talk back to me, so you can see that they're understanding. And that's what I'm so happy about on this first part of this blueprint, is that I'm going to be able to show people, they'll be able to see the results right away and then become efficient and making sure that they're processing everything they need to process, and they're learning and they're actually applying the information to be successful. And that's my overall goal for everyone that gets in this course, not to just to get a course just to have more information, but to take the information and apply it to your business to help grow your business to however high you want it to go, however high you want it to be, however big you want it to be, right? So if you haven't already, hit the like, subscribe, and the share button. You got to hit this, guys. If you're not signed up for the course, you got to, even if you're signed up for the course, you got to help me out here. We got to get more people involved into this community so we can help grow each other and also open our minds to different things. So, hey, I am Charles Gibbs. Make sure you go to the website, www.iamcharlesgibbs.com. Is in my whole YouTube names. Guys, just that's where all the information at. So if you need to know where to get the course at, that's where it's at. IamCharlesGibbs.com.